Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to do a left front door handle assembly with, of course, the lock assembly. It's going to be very easy, and I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our small pocket screwdriver. Careful not to scuff our paint as much as possible here. All we want to do is pull out this little plastic tabby thing here, just a little cover, okay? Nothing special about it. All it does is cover this hole, and the hole covers our little bolt that's right there. What we want to do now is we want to remove that bolt. Let's see. We're going to use our Torx bit, 27. Looks like a star. There we are. The bolt itself should stay right in there. Okay, now we're going to come out here. We're just going to grab onto our lock cover here. Pull that right out. Now we'll grab our handle. We'll pretend like we're opening the door. Let's see. Here we are. Just got to work it a little bit. A little open, a little closed, somewhere in the middle there. And here's our handle assembly. Lock, handle. There we are. Let's go ahead and replace this. So here we are. This is the back side of the lock. Okay. Right here. You can tell there's a little tab. All we're going to do is lift. Try to pry this little thing out of here. It should come right out. There we are. Easy peasy. Right here, we have our original FJ Cruiser, well, 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser door handle. We just removed it. The little lock cover there, okay? Over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. Yeah, it's a different color. Yeah, you can get it painted if you want, or if you like it black, I would go with black. So I just want to show you. Both handles are the exact same, an exception of just a different color. If you're worried about the color, like I said, you can go ahead and paint it, or you can do whatever you need to do. Get this right here. Same exact setup. As you can tell, they're both the same exact shape. Everything looks the same except for the color. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't install this onto this vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other quality part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay. So let's just take a look at it real quick. This is the way it goes in. Get this little shifty thing right there. Just gonna go in there like that. This piece right here. Use my pocket screwdriver. And try to separate it a little bit and slide it in. There we are. Looks like it's good to go. Let's go ahead and install this into the vehicle. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take our new door handle, just going to slide it in from the front there, put it in the back side, just give it a little bonk. Here we are. It's in there nice. Make sure our bolt isn't sliding through. Sometimes it likes to try to come back through. We don't want that yet. The locking assembly, this unit right here, is pretty much what holds your handle assembly in. So once we get this in and bolted in, it's going to hold in the door latch, or door handle I should say. All right, we'll take our T27. We're just going to snug this up. Okay, bottomed out. Give it a little bit. And grab our cover. There we are. Okay, windows down, just in case. Flawless. Booyah.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.